Welcome, this is Steel Deco. As you can see right now, this is a steel plate that's been treated with a brush. It's a garden decorative item. What we do is, we give the steel plate the look of 3 to 5 years of aging right away, and then sell it as a garden metal ornament like this. This is one of our company's signature items. It's called the Bell Cat. Don't you think having something like this at home would somehow make you feel a bit more lively? Whether you place it on a fence, on a deck, or in front of your entrance, it really transforms the space into one full of vibrant energy. So, we have these kinds of metal ornaments. If you look here, we also have this deer family. It's a set. The deer family set is especially popular among garden owners with larger gardens. It's truly an item that goes perfectly with the garden. If you look along here, you'll see that lately, these kinds of text decorations are really popular. So, people often create phrases they like, such as, "You have to look closely to see the beauty," and similar sayings. These days, there's a real culture of expressing emotions, right? So, when customers ask us to create pretty or funny phrases, we make new ones and deliver them. But it's really hard to give words as a gift these days. Words just disappear into the air. But if you turn words into an object and give them as a gift, it's really cool, isn't it? The very act of gifting words. And if you look here, this is what I just mentioned. Phrases like excited first step are great as congratulatory gifts for new employees. And this one says, "You are my flower," done in calligraphy. There are also many people who write their own phrases. So, a lot of people create their own special messages to give as gifts, or they put their wishes for happiness in their home with phrases like, "Our happy home." Those are really popular, too. And what's really interesting about this market is, look at this. What is it? I only go, wow, is this dew parmesan? Or is it real dew? Yes. And now, with something like this, at first glance, you probably have no idea what it's used for, right? If you put a candle right in the middle here, or some kind of light, the pattern gets projected onto the walls in all directions. It's really a magical item. If you have one of these, it totally sets the mood, especially at Christmas or whenever you want to create an atmosphere. I'd really recommend it. These days, there are so many fun stationery items like this. What does this one say? Are you the only one eating? Are you the only one who gets tea? There are fun phrases like these, and these are also candle decorations. If you put a light behind them, the image gets projected all over the wall. Things like this are really fun, right? If you place it right on the windowsill, it looks like the raccoon is hot too. You can use things like this as cup holders or put a small plant pot in them for decoration. And as for these tables, since we make everything out of metal, we can custom make anything. So your ideas really stand out. If you look at these kinds of scenes, we can cut them out as pictures too. We can cut out any text or image you want. And what I'd like to introduce this time is a product that's popular on Amazon in the US. It's used both as a repotting tool and as a flower pot decoration. You can even use it to check moisture like this. It's also handy for pulling out weeds and can be used for various repotting tasks. In the US, it's usually sold for between $10 and $16. There are a lot of different products. Almost 300 kinds are currently being sold, and about 100 types are being sold in the US right now. Americans really seem to love cats, so even just our cat designs number around 20 or so. You can see things like this with all sorts of fun shapes and designs. Here, we've set up the flower pots in our own way. This is my favorite product, which is also on my business card. It's a very popular design in the US as well. It's spinning, though slowly. This gardening tool and flower pot decoration pick is sold in the US. I dressed the ballerina in this pretty outfit. It might look like playing house, but isn't it cool? I also added a bell to this cat myself. Our catalog business card. You all know about it, right? Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Got it? And then, what do you get? You get a free gift. And finally, let me introduce you to these mini styles. I think mini styles are going to be trendy from now on, so these days I'm going to focus more on mini styles. I'm really focusing on it. This one, we just took our existing products and shrunk them down for display. So we created this little mini landscape. This is called a meditation garden. When your mind feels unsettled, you can calm yourself by drawing like this and practicing mindfulness. You collect your thoughts and then move from this island to that mountain over there. When you're feeling excited, when your boss chews you out, when you fight with your wife, or when you argue with your husband, this is how you calm your mind and spirit. That's why I decided to call it a meditation garden. So, what are this mountain and this sand? This is called Gosansu. I'm planning to sell it in America. I registered the trademark in America using the Korean name Gosansu as it is. So, as I said, it's called Meditation Garden. This right here is the Meditation Garden. A male and female pair make up one set. Male and female. We've also made the water basins separately like this. We're also selling them as set products like this. We're also selling them as a male and female pair like this. In a way, this kind of meditation garden is the first of its kind. It feels pretty new, doesn't it? For those who aren't good at growing or taking care of plants, this meditation garden series is something you can keep in your office to soothe your mind and blow away stress. Please look forward to it. Our SteelDeco will soon make a big splash with this meditation garden. I hope you'll support us and cheer us on.